Hey guys, so today we're going to make a design. This is a compass. We're going to use it to make a circle. Now, it's good if the pencil and the point of the compass are about the same distance, meaning they're even, like this. It's not like that, that would be tough. So, and this little screw, you can loosen it and adjust it. Okay? And then tighten it up like this. So, nice and even, that's what it should look like. So what I like to do is put the point of the compass in the paper and then spin the paper instead of the compass to make a nice circle. So like this. Might even want to put a dot in the middle of the circle. Now we're going to make a daisy design to start out with. And I want you to try this. Put the point of the compass on the circle and make an arc. Then wherever the arc crosses the circle, put the point of the compass there. And we're just going to go all the way around the circle, like this. And look, here is a 6-petal flower, a daisy. So we can start with that. Here's another thing you could do. You could, I'll just make a circle real quick. Start with a circle, and instead of making the arc, what we could do is just make slashes, like this. Now you can use these slashes to make, and a ruler, to make a different design. So, you could start connecting it like this. And then across like this and make something look interesting, I don't know, something like this and like this. So, what I want you to do is be creative. Here's something that I made, like this. And I just started with something like this, with the 6 slashes, and I made something look like that. Now this is called a mandala. Any kind of a circular design is called a mandala. And something like this is what I want you to come up with by the end of class. Be creative and try to have some fun.